Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Should Vybz Kartel be worried after getting death threats live on camera? And over on the other side of things, should the JLP be worried after Vybz Kartel made a live appearance at the PNP conference about a week ago? We say Alkaline, brave up in a time like this when nobody now drop no song. Everybody I watch the next move of Vybz Kartel. In fact, Vybz Kartel drop a song, and if you ask me, a Vybz Kartel biggest song since him get incarcerated, without a doubt. Right now, it probably 4 million views by now. We see Alkaline brave up and drop a song, and in the song we see him a big up Sidem and a diss Shorty. Me no know why, but that we have to go find out. Plumpy Boss is definitely a mystery. Everybody, I wonder what is real or what is fake about all the news where them see out there in the media about Plumpy Boss. But viewers and subscribers, we have all of that to speak about in this report. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, Dancehall Artist Alkaline dropped a song about a week ago, and currently the song, in my opinion, one of the best song Alkaline dropped in a very long while. We don't know the Alkaline 91 lane 91 zone, and Alkaline like him just had the music for himself and not even for the fans. Cause most of what him dropped since recent, it not really make no sense. But this one, I can tell you, is a very good song, but the song now get the traction where it's supposed to get, and we all know why. Vybz Kartel, the real boss, they are road and a theme time now. So the song with Alkaline drop is titled Take a Girl Man, and whole heap of people I wonder and I ask the question, what this song about, who this song about, why this song just dropped now? You see what I say? Enough people are speculate and I say, yo, we might talk about Vybz Kartel, Shorty and Sidem. While enough people say, no, it's just a simple girl song what him do for the girl. They may understand the good girl them a road. But listen to that part of the intro here and tell me what you think. Yeah man, from the intro, Alkaline, and make you know what this song is about. Yeah man, in front of her, go on with the material, say, yo, watch you know. Take a girl, man. Yeah, man, a year, man, no. You see what I say? Make a girl know, say, yo, you're better than them. But listen to the part, yeah. Sit down, Panny John, when you're done with the pocket, them, you go spend up, run, one with yourself, one with that bang. Yeah, man, Alkaline, I make you know, say, yo, that girl are good. You see what I say? Enough money. Any man have to spend. You see what I say? And after this, any other woman that the man they have to get sideline, cause you what, she go take over. You see what I say? Enough people start to tie in that with Vybz Kartel and Shorty situation. You see what I say? We don't see them just forward out of nowhere. And right now, she just snatched with the real boss from Shorty. And Shorty and Vybz Kartel seems like a match made in heaven. Seems like a match we never did I go put aside. Never did I go split. But now we are going to check out one last line of the song and see if this is really about Shorty, Vybz Kartel and Sidem, or it is just Alkaline articulating himself about a woman in a him song. Check this out. You see that part, yeah? That part, yeah? I'm not going to say much about it, but I'm just ask the question. You feel like, say, this is just a random song by Alkaline articulating himself, or it really and truly deep down have something to do with Vybz Kartel situation? Because same way everybody has say, yo, see them at home record, remember Vybz Kartel and Shorty a long time. No matter who Vybz Kartel go out there and get entangled with, no matter who him get a youth with, and right back to Shorty, and we see which part. This lady, him not even have a chick or a child with this lady, and we see which part she mess up everything in the opinions or the eyes of everybody we as a Shorty. But it's a good song as well, me say. Just tell me your thoughts down below. Me really feel like, say, the timing of this song, it's kind of good and it's kind of bad because it will create a lot of controversy. Say, yo, it have to do with Vybz Kartel, Shorty and Sidem. But also, it was released in a time when a Vybz Kartel time again, which is why I don't even think it reached 200,000 views after what you would say about a week. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, we are move right along. So this brother, when named Plumpy Boss, are members of the Seven Gang, who is also an artist based in Trinidad and Tobago. We see which part about a month ago, or probably more, him go to St. Martin, yeah man, a small island, same place in the Caribbean. Him go St. Martin to perform at a show. Yes, what me I say, he was shot in the head. Yeah man, head shot. That's what me I say. And immediately after him get the head shot, rush to hospital. We see him mother come out publicly a cry and a bawl, a beg and a plea for them bring him back to Trinidad and Tobago because him cannot get the health care where him need in a St. Martin. I don't know if it's because him not have the proper health card or whatever the case may be. You see what I say? Or them they just word overall. We later see which part of video circulate of him being airlifted back to Trinidad and Tobago. Now, since him reached back at Trinidad and Tobago, a whole heap of story out there. We see story which part them say him dead. We see story which part them say him paralyzed. We see story which part them say him brain dead and deep in a coma. We see story which part them say yo him the road a walk. We see me I tell you every single thing you can think of. We have seen it. Now, the real truth is that Plumpy Boss is not dead. The other real truth is that his recovery seems to be dormant. His recovery seems like, say, yo, it is not possible. Or should I say, his full recovery don't seem possible. Yeah, man, it definitely like say I'm gonna walk again, and it definitely sound like say I'm gonna even talk again. You see what I say? Remember, your brain control your body. It is the computer of your body, and once your brain lock down them way there because of a bullet, may I tell you, 99.9% of the time you're doomed. You see what I say? But viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts on Plumpy Boss currently in coma, battling for life, and no, after he was shot in St. Martin. We are moving right along. So Vybz Kartel, there is so much controversy surrounding his name since he has been released from prison recently. Yes, what may I say? Now, one of the latest one is a brother who me see do a video and I call out Vybz Kartel brawling. In fact, I send the threat to Vybz Kartel brawling. Now, if Vybz Kartel knows, say, yeah man, I saw your time. Yes, what may I say? I saw your time. And viewers and subscribers, if you ask me, it never make no sense. It never call for. Yo, the man call one whole heap of name. And I say more name or call. This man look like him definitely on a mission to bring Vybz Kartel down. But the big question is this man right? Or him just eat Vybz Kartel and I make up some things. But I tell you, the man I call whole heap of name. You see what I say? And as me always tell you, any video me like play over here, which is why me never put the video or attach it into this upload. Because we don't know, I know everything me support. Me don't support the violence and the crime and the this and the that. I understand the threat and all of them things there. So that's why I'm not even I bring it over here. Me just summarize it and I make you know what I go on. But yeah man, some wicked threat sent to Vybz Kartel. And remember, this come off the heel of Vybz Kartel being released from prison for an overturned murder conviction. So I say of Clive Lizard Williams. But yeah, we not spend the entire day on that because most of you probably see it already. So I say, but more want to tell me on the thoughts about Vybz Kartel receiving death threats live on camera. Yes, so I say, and if you don't feel like say this person will send the threat, if you don't feel like say him onto something, him know where I say, or all of this, I just make up.
Me fuck your brother through the prison grill. Me fuck your girl through the prison window. Wet up the pussy with me.
So over on the other side of things now, we see which part JLP has been in shambles since PNP keep them annual conference about a week ago. And we see which part Vybz Kartel made an appearance. Now me see all heap of people run up and make nice in the light. Yo, Vybz Kartel is the single biggest appearance at the conference. Like them forget the Honorable L.A. Lewis. Yes, what me I say. So we see Vybz Kartel, L.A. Lewis, Richard Curry, whole heap of dignitary, whole heap of people. When nobody now expect to turn up, we see them turn up and them turn out. Yes, what me I say. And Vybz Kartel show his allegiance to the PNP party. Now this raised a lot of questions, and it even raised more eyebrows. Remember, when Vybz Kartel was arrested in 2011, PNP was in power. PNP orchestrated this arrest. Now in 2014, Vybz Kartel was sentenced again. It was under the PNP governance. Yes, what me I say. Now we switch part. Andrew Holness and the GLP take up office around 2016. That around 2 years after Vybz Kartel was convicted and sentenced for murder. Yes, what me I say. Now the DPP, we switch part. Fear team seems as if them did willing to do any and everything to keep Vybz Kartel behind bars. We switch back Vybz Kartel get a PNP attorney. We switch back the PNP forward out and them do everything to make sure say the DPP never get another extended term in office, and we see it ultimately lead to the release of Vybz Kartel. Now, as women say, this is a very complicated situation, not just for Vybz Kartel, but also the PNP. Remember, at them put him behind bars, and then them get him out. So it all comes down to who or which of the two way heavier. Them putting him in, or them giving him back in freedom. And if you ask me, Vybz Kartel get him back in freedom more than everything else in this world. You see what me I say? So tell me your thoughts down below. You feel like say Vybz Kartel do this deliberately because him want the Labour government to go down, or it is just as what I'm saying, influencing the PNP voters to come out. Whether you're GLP or not, that up to you. But for the PNP, him want them to forward out, and you feel like say this is also the first step for Vybz Kartel into politics. And before me end this point and end this video, me see Cliff Hughes, whole heap of people, or the more high society people come out and beat Vybz Kartel, beat the PNP. Oh, can you have a murderer on stage and this and that and this and that? Yo, politics in Jamaica has been worse than this. And one thing Vybz Kartel have over all of the criminals them were in a politics, both PNP and GLP, from the inception of politics is the popularity we have. Remember, Vybz Kartel is no longer a convict. Vybz Kartel is no longer convicted of a crime. Vybz Kartel is no longer considered as a murderer if you should follow the law. So what wrong with Vybz Kartel going on the stage? I don't see nothing wrong with it. Remember, you know, Beanie Mande has been showing their allegiance to the PNP for years. We see Buju Banton just forward and Buju Banton can do the same thing. You see what I say? So what would when Vybz Kartel come do it? It just don't make no sense. And if you go as far as speaking of this and speaking of, come on, the opposition leader in a Belize is a man where convicted of murder and serve time in America. And right now, him basically around Belize. You understand what I say? And if you want to say this and you want to say that, it's up to you. But one thing Vybz Kartel have, where the most dangerous criminal them were aligned to the PNP and the GLP don't have, is popularity. That's the only thing. So I don't think it makes sense for them to say, yo, Vybz Kartel. Richard Corion, if you talk about, because somebody of his status is not expected to be in alignment with no party. You understand what I say? So that is surprising. And you just want to say big up Louis too, because I see him pass on going like a Vybz Kartel alone. Big up the Empire. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please may I ask you, give this video a like since you reached this far. And if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe now. Bless up.
In your city, that's a couple milli. US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly.